MeghalayaPost.news
Ban pen klanya ka jingle persha ayaw drong bat ki jingdi pen buan ka office jong ka district social welfare Riboy district ha ka jingi tre lang bat ka office Merayuva Bharat Riboy kala penlong ya ka program Jinghikai Hajurang Government Higher Secondary School Kabadan Hawastan Riboy ya kani ka awareness program la penlong hapo ka nasha muk Bharat Abhiyan kum shibanta jong ka jingra ke ka National Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking da ka jingtmu ban pen snguthu ya ki samla puli halor ka jingma ki bami na ka jingpenon kam yaw drong bat ki wei ki jingdi pen buan ha kani ka program ki riu shempang kibla syakot sungobha kila ajing kran badia selok bat ki khna school da ka bakentu yaki banjet ya kalenti ka bokhu basuba pat ban kiar na kinu ki jajing di kibala ban penjot ya kalawei shushu ka office kala penlong ru ya ka pledge ceremony and signature campaign ha ka baki khna kila bam smai ban ompenon kam yo drok ne kinu ki jing di penbua bat ban im ya ka jing im ka bakhu ha ka ni ka program lawan ban don bentalang da Dr. S Maxwell Lengdo counselor bat career expert na Shillong usamla Alfred Doloy chairman jong ka SSSS Riboy Sapni kong Priscilla Chongwan, Program Coordinator Kamai Bharat Riboy, Lembat Uba Lida Thongni, Nonghikai Kajurang Government Higher Secondary School, Rengkat Bat Kiwei.
So you are using it to abuse yourself. In a sense, you eat kwah non-stop, you smoke non-stop, biri non-stop, raja khaini non-stop, shekhar non-stop. Again, my point? Now it's no more you using the drugs, but you are abusing. Okay? The guys, do you want girlfriends with very white teeth or red teeth? White teeth. What if the girl is very beautiful but she's got red teeth? What will you do? No. You reject. Okay. What about the girls? Do you like guys with red teeth or white teeth? White teeth. Okay. So what happens when we abuse is we are eating non-stop. Have you seen people eating kwah or raja khaini or whatever, duman, all that non-stop? That is where we abuse. Okay? We start abusing our body. Third concept is drug dependency. So what is drug dependency? I cannot live anymore without substances. Okay, so there is a documentary that has actually reached the UN. Okay, so this documentary was built on these tribals who are actually working in the tea gardens. It is towards, Silchar, Tezpur, that area. So there is one tribe, okay. So someone did a documentary on them because there is something about them, about this particular tribe. You know what's unique about this particular tribe? There is very high rate of women dying, mothers dying when they deliver children, babies, or if the mother doesn't die, the babies die. So everyone wants to know what happened, what's happening in this particular area, in this particular tribe. Why are babies dying, infants dying at the time of giving birth? Sometimes the mother also dies, the child also dies. So they did a documentary, so they went and stayed in this village. What types of addiction? We have opium, or we call it ganja. Do you get ganja this side? Yes, no? No. It's not there? Huh? It's there. You get from some shop, or is it sold in hiding dealer? Okay, this is the plan. Second type of drugs is smokeless. It is tobacco, but it is smokeless. Okay, so most of the women, do they eat duma? Raja. Biri. Can I see your hands? Those who smoke biri? One hand, two hands. More? Just two hands. Such good guys you are. Okay, right. Now I went to one particular school and I asked, do you smoke cigarette? They said, no sir, we don't smoke cigarette because it's very expensive. We smoke biri. Okay, so I said, why do you smoke biri? They said, they get 20 sticks, is it? She packet. She packet, huh? 18, 18, okay? So they said, I'll tell you how it is, okay? In Shillong we say, like bidi man. So I buy one packet and I give to all my friends. Okay? Tomorrow someone else will come and they'll treat. Okay? Now every time we share bidi with our friends, what happens? What happens? You feel close. There is something called as bonding. Every time you share kwah with your friends, you feel close. Every time you share a cigarette with a friend, you feel close. So when you look at how these substances work, it is more of bonding, friendship, etc., etc. You agree? Yes?
MeghalayaPost.news